Hello everyone, Team Lively here, and I want to share a machine review with you today. This is a CNC Q2 machine, and it's available on Amazon for about $150. This machine has a German Fallhaber motor. I think I'm saying that right, Fallhaber. German-made motor, and it's very smooth. It has a 3.5 stroke. It's beefy, but still not really that heavy. I actually like the thickness of it. Who doesn't like a little girth, right? I have to laugh about that because everybody thinks a heavy machine is going to be hard on their hands, but at the end of the day, this thickness of the machine will actually create less stress on your hands. So, CNC Q2 machine. Now, let me show you a couple things about it. Number one, the needle is adjusted here, just like most wand machines. You put your needle in, you start your machine with your battery supply. This is my critical battery supply. Get it going so you can hear how quiet it is. There we go, finally, sorry about that. It's running, you can probably hear it, barely though, it's very quiet. It's very, very smooth. I kind of liken it to a bishop wand at about a fraction of the cost. And then you adjust your needle here by turning this grip. Super easy to adjust. Now, you do have to have clipcord covers to cover your machine. You need the wider clipcord covers. This is a 3-inch clipcord cover. And the way I wrap my machine is, I'll show you real quick. Get this other end. Take the needle out, of course. Flip this over, put grip tape here, wrap it tight. Then I tie this end off in a knot and I cut it so that it's short and compact. And then I'll just poke a hole here so I can get my needle inserted correctly. So just remember, a little thin clipcord cover like these that we use for smaller machines, it's not gonna work. It's too tight and you can't get it over your battery. Anyway, I love this machine. I've been using it a couple of years. I use it on areola tattooing and scars. It's held up for 2 years. It's a great machine. One thing you do need to do occasionally, take this cover off and lubricate this O-ring with a little bit of Aquaphor or Vaseline, something like that to, otherwise this gets harder and harder to put on and adjust, and sometimes it actually freezes up. I had a friend at a show one time. She was ready to buy a new machine. I said, Marie, why are you buying a new machine? Well, I can't get this thing off. Something's broke on it. So I said, Marie, do you have some lip gloss in your purse? She hands me the lip gloss. I take this off, dab a little lip gloss here, and it's like brand new. She had the funniest look on her face. Anyway, CNC Q2 machine, I highly recommend it for the cost. It's a great machine. It's a power horse. It will do anything you need it to do. Okay, Team Lively, over and out.